how to buy dog on base token. See, this token came under the symbol of dog. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the base network. Now open your WeEX wallet for that. So here, go to your wallet and select the base as a network from here. So after that, click on this plus icon to add this token. So paste the token address here. So as you can see, this also gonna click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and try to find the token that you just added called dog. So after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it here. As you can see, now click here on swap, switch from here from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT, of course, on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see in the corresponding liquidity pool, please select the different token. So it seems that it's not available in to be able to buy it on any wallet. So just try to click on markets and you will be able to see the Uniswap. This is the decentralized exchange platform. Now click on this pair, as you can see, and you will be able to read access to this page. And after that, what you need to do, click trade on Uniswap version 3. So after that, as you can see, you'll be able to read access to Uniswap website. So what you have to do, first of all, connect your wallet, select your wallet from here. For example, I will use the Biscuit wallet, click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to Uniswap, what you need to do, if you don't find your token here in the bottom, go back to this page of that token on CoinMarketCap, copy the token address, go back, click here, and as you can see, you can select the base as a network from here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is also going to click on it to be able to find it here. Click on this, don't show me this one, click again and click on continue. As you can see, this is our token. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you want to pay with USDT, you can search for USDT and try to select one of these. As you can see, one of these, so USDT, and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, and after that you can click on this little row to be able to read that information. After that, click on stop and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy dog token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.